Welcome back to Modern Health Vibes. Today, I'm diving into my review of the Medicinal Garden Kit by Nicole Appelian. This kit offers a fantastic way to grow 10 powerful medicinal plants right in your backyard, turning it into your own natural pharmacy. Why it's essential to buy directly from the official website to avoid counterfeits. The unique benefits of each plant in the kit. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions for growing and harvesting your natural remedies. First, you'll want to choose a sunny spot in your garden or a well-lit area indoors. Make sure the soil is well-draining and rich in organic matter. Next, plant your seeds according to the depth and spacing guidelines provided in the kit. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Once your plants have matured, you can begin harvesting. Simply snip the leaves or flowers as needed, making sure to leave enough for the plant to continue growing. Dry your harvested herbs in a cool, dark place and store them in airtight containers. And there you have it, your very own supply of natural remedies. Now, let's talk about how this kit can save you money on healthcare costs while ensuring continuous access to medicinal herbs. By growing your own medicinal plants, you can significantly cut down on trips to the pharmacy and reduce your spending on over-the-counter medications. Plus, having a steady supply of herbs at your fingertips means you won't have to worry about running out when you need them most. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and your well-being. Here are some standout features of the Medicinal Garden Kit. First, you'll receive a complete medicinal guide. This includes detailed instructions on how to grow and use each plant for various health issues. Next, the kit promotes sustainable health by encouraging you to reduce reliance on pharmaceuticals and embrace natural remedies. Lastly, you'll gain access to a supportive online community. Here, you can share tips and experiences with fellow herbal enthusiasts. So, stick around for essential tips and a special alert. So what exactly is in the Medicinal Garden Kit? You'll get 10 hand-picked herbs from some of the best premium plants available. Each kit includes chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, evening primrose, lavender, echinacea, calendula, and matricaria. Each kit comes with a free medicinal guide. This guide will show you how to turn these herbs into healing tinctures, ointments, poultices, essential oils, and more. Is the Medicinal Garden Kit worth it? Absolutely. It's a great investment for anyone interested in natural health and sustainable living. For the best results, follow the guide included in the kit for detailed planting and usage instructions. The Medicinal Garden Kit is more than just a gardening project. It's a way to take control of your health naturally. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural health content. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!